morning everyone, down Florence here, Florence path, bit of exploring. It's like a tunnel at the end of the path this. Used to be a train track that used to carry coal from Florence, where we are now, Florence mine, to the Hem Heath mine. I can't find any sort of resemble of any tracks or anything. I'm just on a bit of a walk, just trying to find it, because my uncle told me that he worked down the pit. Well, two of my uncles there. And he said he used to carry coal from Florence mine to Hem Heath mine. There was a train track. But I've been up the top of Longton Park, been all over the shop, so I'm just wondering if it was anywhere around here. I'm guessing with that tunnel there, that bridge thing, it could have been. But love me history in my minds. Obviously I lived right opposite Florence mine, so you could see the big tower from my bedroom where I lived, Wingrove Avenue, and that was our sort of playground, the mines, knocking around in the coal, getting filthy and that. There was also woods that went straight through as well. Anyone remember who's from Normancote Lightwood, where the football pitch is now, the astroturf, that used to be concrete. There was woods behind it, used to take you straight through. But yeah, I won't cover a bit more on my mines, but there's not that much I can get on actually. It's not like the old pot banks, that old factory, where you've got sort of the heritage still in place. It don't look like it's this end either. If anyone knows, it looks like an old bloody sleeper there. This eventually connects up to Longton Park. I think we're just coming up now to where the workers are. You'll see the railings there. But yeah, I'm not sure really. I'd like to do a bit more on the mines. So if anyone knows any ex-miners that want to be interviewed and tell me a bit about what it was like, because I know obviously it must have been pretty hard work. One of the hardest jobs ever, mining. The most dangerous jobs and all. That's where the workers' place is, so we're just coming up to the start of Longton Park now. These look like sleepers to me though. I haven't thought this through, I've been nettled 4 or 5 times already. Lovely day for it, especially when it's red hot. When it's red hot I always tend to go into the shade like woods and stuff. Save bloody sunburning. It's quite overgrown. Like you said, we'll pop up here, I'll just show you how close this path is to Longton Park. It's a good shortcut this. Bloody hell. You're at the skateboard place now. But yeah, if anyone knows where it was, let me know. Thanks for watching.